Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable creating custom product badges for Shopify. To enable custom product badges for Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. In Online Store, click on Themes. Find the theme you are currently using and click on the Actions drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Edit Code. In the code editor, locate the file named producttemplate.liquid. Open producttemplate.liquid and identify where product images are displayed. Insert the code snippet for your custom badge above the product image section. Customize the badge code to reflect your desired text and style. Save the changes made to the producttemplate.liquid file. Next, go back to the online store section and select Themes again. Click on the Customize button for your current theme. In the theme editor, navigate to the product page settings. Look for the option that allows you to enable or disable badges. Turn on the custom badge feature and configure any additional settings. Review how the badge appears on the product pages to ensure it meets your standards. Make any necessary adjustments to the badge design, size, or placement as needed. Once satisfied with the look, finalize all edits and close the theme editor. Return to your store to test the new custom product badges across various products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.